A simple algebraic problem. Problem x square plus 6y is equal to minus 17, y square plus 4z is equal to 1, z square plus 2x is equal to 2. Then solve the value of x square plus y square plus z square is equal to what? Solution. At first, x square plus 6y is equal to minus 17. Equation 1. Equation 1. Here y square plus 4z is equal to 2. 1 is equal is equation 2. Here z square plus 2x is equal to 2, equation 3. At first, number 1 equation plus number 2 plus number 3 equation. Here x square plus 6y plus y square plus 4z plus z square plus 2x is equal to minus 17 plus 1 plus 2. Then x square plus 6y plus y square plus 4z plus z square plus 2x is equal to minus 14. Here x square plus 2x plus 1 plus y square plus 6y plus 9 plus z square plus 4z plus 4 is equal to minus 14 plus 14. Here we can add 14 in both sides, so here 1 plus 9 plus 4 is equal to 14. Here plus 14, here add plus 14. Then x square, here x square plus 2x plus 1, we can write x plus 1 whole square. Y square plus 6z plus 9, we can write y plus 3 whole square. Here z square plus 4z plus 4, we can write z plus 2 whole square is equal to 0. So x plus 1 whole square is equal to 0. Here x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to minus 1. Here y plus 3 whole square is equal to 0. Then y plus 3 is equal to 0. Y is equal to minus 3. Here z plus 2 whole square is equal to 0. Then z plus 2 is equal to 0. So z is equal to minus 2. Now the value of x square plus y square plus z square. Here x square plus y square plus z square is equal to minus 1 whole square plus y is equal to minus 3. Here minus 3 whole square. Z is equal to minus 2, then minus 2 whole square. So here 1 plus 9 plus 4 is equal to 14. So x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 14.